Good girl, Ladybird. Okay, so Ladybird and I are going to work on Drop It today. During her play session, she really wanted to tear up the toys today, and we were able to get her to drop them, but I would like a faster Drop It, especially for something enticing where the bum is ripped open, like on this little lamb.
Yeah.
So we'll see how she does with it. Ready, Ladybird? Go get it. Bring it. Drop it. Good girl.
Oh.
Go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Bring it here. Oh, bring it closer. You can do it. Drop it. Now you don't want to. Drop it. Ladybird. Drop it. Look at Julian. Drop it. Ladybird, drop it. Okay. Good job. Wait, drop it. Yeah, go get it.
No.
Go get your lamb. Good job.
There she
Ladybird.
goes.
Drop it. Good girl. Go get the long dog. Good job, Ladybird. Drop it. So this is why I usually have dogs grab their leash or drag their leashes so that she can't be running away from me. But Ladybird doesn't like to move when her leash is attached and just hanging. Ladybird, drop it. Good girl. Go get it. But what I'm doing with the two toys is I'm showing her you can get reinforcement. Drop it. And you get your toy back when you give it to me. Okay. Go get it. What's that? Yeah, that's a fun toy. Drop it. Ladybird. Drop it. Not sure it's going to Ladybird. Look. Good girl. Look at how juicy. Julian. No, I just want my long dog. You're mean. You're taking my toys away. I'm just trying to tear them off. Sit. Go get it. Go get it. It's over there. Yeah. Did you think I tossed a treat? Sit. Okay. Okay. Back up. Good girl.
Oh, nice.
Back up. Come here. Back up. Back up. Good girl. Back up. Good girl. Back up. Good girl. I clicked right when you barked. Back up. Uh-oh. Back up. No, not what I want. Back up. Yeah.
There she goes.
Back up. Good girl. Back up. Leave her. Back up. No, not jumping. Thank you. That was better. Back up. I don't work with demand barkers. Back up.
Oh, she backed up and barked.
Timing. Back up. Good girl. Back up. Oh. Back up. Wait. You're being silly. You know exactly what I'm asking. She gets the attention timeout when she barks at me.
Mm-hmm.
Back up. Back up. Ah, you're just getting so silly. Back up. Doesn't matter. There you go. Back up. Yes.
There,
girl.
that's pretty.
Back up. Too bad. Back up. No, this is my messy. Come here. Back up. Yes. Yes. Back up.
Very nice.
Good girl. Okay, let's go get this toy. Go get it. Are you getting tired? Favored. So zigzag. Zigzag. Oops. That's not good girl. Favorite. Go left. Good girl. Go right. Yes, good girl. Back up.
Nice.
Yes, good girl. Okay, I think that's good. She's gonna.
Yeah. Like.